Okay, we are discussing the idea generation techniques. We have discussed the previous class scamber technique. I think some of you forget because already 1 week over. So I hope you might have recalled on yesterday. That is why I sent some of the messages for the purpose of recalling what we have discussed. And few students, they are not participating, even though we are calling your names, you are not participating. Today I have already given the case as well as how you are going to discuss also. I have given using a technique, we used to call it as 6 hats. So be ready with that one. We will discuss that one. So coming to the concept, same thing we are discussing, which is mentioned under the LMS. There is idea generation techniques. We have completed up to Scamber. We have discussed what is the meaning of substitute, everything. Each and every Scamber rule, we have identified one example. Today we are first moving towards the remaining techniques, as well as you are going to tell me about the different hat rules. We used to call it as in MBA as an design thinking. For idea generation, students should practice in the design thinking technique. That is what we are going to use that one. Okay. In the meantime, let us see one of the simple example. You can see recently one of the organization, that is Pum Pum Pum. You can see that one, how a group of friends joined together and they created a new platform, used car leasing startup. See that one. Their idea is something different. They identified the used car. Already some of them use the cars and they might have sent this car out of their purview. So what these friends are doing, they are identifying the used car, making in a different method and converting for the purpose of leasing. Since buying the car is costly now, they decided to go for a new method of business. And they are given the name as Pum Pum Pum, and it has raised even 2 crore. See that one, how this business has been accepted by the public, and it raised a fund of 2 crores as a debt. Debt means in the form of loan or anything for the purpose of doing that one. Like our Zoom car in Bangalore, here it is the Pum Pum car. They started that one. Very interesting news. You can see the idea. In my view, the scammer role substitute idea is clicking. How they identify the substitutes for this purpose. So that is why I've shown this one. I think some of you read that story about the Pum Pum, how they are raising the money. This very interesting thing. Even it is coming under the idea generation. Okay, the next technique we used to call it as opposite thinking. Usually in the classroom, whenever a discussion is coming, somebody will give a critical commands. Same thing here. This is one type of technique we used to call it as opposite thinking. If anything happened in a reverse manner, what will be the output? That is called the opposite thinking. You can see we usually this opposite thinking technique is used in case of once upon a time bull fight. In bull fight, they used to conduct this type of opposite thinking. If the bull comes in opposite way, what we have to do? If the bull is coming in this way, what we have to do? So this concept evolved from the bullfight. Of course, the concept was introduced by Alison Donge. He introduced that one called think opposite. And he has given the name called domino effect. Domino effect means just reverse thinking. In case of corona pandemic period, even most of them decided to think in a reverse manner. In hospitals, they clearly know they should not touch the patients. Without touching, how you can measure the body temperature? You can see number of equipments are now available. Once upon a time, we never thought about that one. In case of India, such type of idea came, and Indians also now ready to market. It is a very good idea based upon the opposite thinking. Is it possible to measure the temperature of our body without touching? That is why this founder, Datel Pro, he introduced the infrared thermometer. Of course, this is already available. But he introduced in India for just 999 rupees. I think some of you might have had, or some of you might have purchased that one in Indian rates. It is available in Amazon. See that one, the Detel Pro, the founder Yogesh Bhatia identified that one. Everybody is saying that it is highly impossible to measure the body temperature without touching. So he used to think in an opposite manner. Without touching, how we can do? Even though some of the technology is there, infrared is there, here, this Yogesh Bhatia identified that technology from outside India. If you borrow the technology due to royalty, you have to pay more and the equipment may cost 4,000 rupees. So he introduced the Indian technology, but technical know-how is from other country. That is how he created an opposite thinking, but it worked on well. Now this type of thermometer is available for India for just 999 rupees. That is the opposite thinking. Dear students, we have to think in some cases, if anything goes wrong, how you are able to manage, then only you are able to succeed. You can see within a month time, this Detel Pro that is founded by Yogesh Bhatia is able to sell more than 10,000 infrared thermometers. How it is possible? Suddenly he used the time. Then very important thing, he used to identify clearly if everything goes on reverse, how you will identify. This is a very good example of opposite thinking which has been used by Yogesh Bhatia. Another one is called brainstorm cards. We used to call it as board of innovation. And few group members will be inside that one, and what we can do, we will give a discussion like group discussion. This type of brainstorming will be introduced, and each and every student will be given a card. In that card we used to mention what is the problem, how we can solve. So usually students will give different views and they will submit that card, and it will be coming in rotation. Some other person will open the card and read, and he may give negatively or positively. That is a brainstorming session. Usually, if you are inside that one, we can organize. Since we are in online, we are unable to organize. Possibly, we will organize one day for brainstorming session about the submission of your business plan at the end of the class. That means at the end of the course, we will search for that one. This is a very interesting one, brainstorming. You know, in case of Kerala, one of the person introduced the rural festival using this type of brainstorming technique. He introduced the concept of travel triangle. It is a tourism website. He introduced something different because his idea is different. The people are coming and sitting in the houseboat. That is the only one thing USP of the tourism. Why can't we can make one of the festival? He used to call it as Thrissur Puram festival. Is it possible to make Thrissur Puram festival in a different manner? He created that one. That is the idea he created. A brainstorming session he created because he is afraid of some of the priests. They may not permit the tourists to see and witness this type of festival. He got the permission everywhere, and he used to create a rural tourism based upon a simple festival. I think some of the students from Kerala, they may know about that one, Thrissur Puram festival, very famous one, especially crackers, everything will be very famous. He created a rural tourism. On this day, he used to bring foreigners, even Indians outside Kerala. They used to visit Thrissur, and he created a very good travel and tourism venture. That is how he made. It is the output of the brainstorming session created by the Kerala Tourism and Development Corporation. KTDC, they are involving in different area. They organized one challenge idea we have discussed. Like idea challenge, they call the tourism people. Since they used to mention Kerala is the God's own country, and they created a very good brainstorming session how we can improve the tourists, and they identified the rural festivals and tie up with these temple priests and temple authorities. They used to create that one, but it is not working in that Sabarimala temple. First, they decided to create number of small parks nearby Sabarimala temple, and they used to give this tourism to the independent persons so that they will come as a travel and tourism agent for Sabarimala. Since the temple authorities refused, they didn't organize anything there. Now they are organized in the Thrissur. Very interesting one which came out of an very good theme of rural tourism. Okay, this is a very good example of brainstorming created by the Kerala Tourism and Development Corporation. Next one is analog thinking. It is a method to solve a problem from another method. Usually we will solve a problem in one direction, but same problem, if somebody is solving in a different thing, why can't we can use that one here? That is the analogy thinking. You might have studied in case of the language analogy, especially when you are preparing for competitive examination, attitudes test, aptitude test, you used to have this type of analogy thinking. Same thing here. This is used in case of the ventureship identification. What are all the 360-degree visions of thinking? Here is an example in case of Bangalore. In case of Bangalore, one startup, Drink Prime, I think some of you know, might have seen the Drink Prime in your home. These founders, they created a different method for solving the water problem in Bangalore. You know, by 2030, they estimated that in Bangalore, there won't be any water. That is, they mentioned within 10 years, Bangalore is going to face this severe water scarcity problem. So how to solve that one at present itself? They used to create a concept, drink prime. And instead of buying from the retail shops, these type of mineral water, everything, what they created a subscription model. They are ready to supply the water to your home. And now they are involving in not only drinking water, even the next type of water, second water, which can be used for cleaning the water, cleaning the house. Even they have introduced that one. Recently, in case of one place in Bangalore, they introduced the non-drinking water for household purpose, because most of the household, they are facing the problem of drinking water. To solve that one, they think in a reverse manner. Why can't we can supply the water directly to the home? Usually we are depending upon water lorries, everything, they will go. But these people create a subscription model. You can see that one, they combines convenience of a water purifier and the economics of bottled water into one product. They used to install water purifier in different homes, and what they will do every day, their agent will come and pour the water into that one. It is a water purifier technique. And they are charging the amount based upon the subscription system. Subscription system means monthly basis. And you can see that one, not only drinking water, in non-drinking water also they are providing. They are bringing the water with the help of the big lorries, everything from a different place. Especially they used to mention that one group from one day from Tumkur, another day from, I think, Mysore area, that is nearby Mandya area. They identified 2 or 3 different places, and they used to bring that water from that area to solve the problem of Bangalore. And this concept we used to call it sunlight thinking. Instead of depending upon the government source they used to lay the ordinary pipelines. Even for Kaveri pipelines they are laying, and some of the places they are unable to get. Instead of laying the pipelines, they decided to send the water with the help of some of the supply chain network. This made it very successful, and now they are using non-plastic containers for the purpose of supplying the waters. Only thing, they will come and pour the water into the some of the purifiers, and purifiers will be replaced once in a month, and some cases even in 15 days, depending upon the usage. So purifier is owned by them, not by the customers. They created a new concept like that. They are not charging for the purifier. Previously, in case of normal water, we will buy the water can, we will have a bottom with you, we will pour the water, that's all. But these fellows didn't do like that. They used to create the purifier inside the home. Only thing, they will come with the water. It is not a purified water, of course. They are telling already purified. Once again, we are pouring into the purifier. They created a new method to solve the problem of water in Bangalore. And they are charging monthly basis. Now, around 10,000 customers are there, especially in case of Malliswaram area in Bangalore. And this drink prime.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the purifiers work on electricity, sir, or like, is it?
Yes, it is. There are 4 types. One is connected with the solar. You need not to. spend anything. They install the solar panels outside. And another one with the electricity. Now, I think they have introduced the without electricity as well as the solar system, they introduced some new techniques which can be used for the purifying. I don't know some chemicals they are introducing, but it is not good. Our biotechnology department, Jude sir is telling like that. Our faculty also introduced that one. So that is their technique. Even without electricity and solar, they introduced the purifier, but I don't think how it is working. Here our
So maybe
faculty,
they are using bleach to clean the water, like
yes.
maybe that is harmful actually.
Oh, that is very harmful. I asked Jude sir, he is telling it is harmful, don't go for that. Instead of that one, we can go for solar. But they are having three different combination at present. See that one. That is how the idea has been worked. Very good idea from the Drink Prime. Of course, it is not available in the Kamanahalli as well as in our college area. Malleshwaram, it is available at present. These are all the different ideas how these people are thinking. The another one, we used to call it as design thinking. One of the Arun Patnaik, a person, he written a book called Design Thinking for Entrepreneurs. Design thinking is a new concept. Only the name is new, but how the entrepreneurs has to think. That is important thing in case of design thinking. How to design a product according to the customer. That is important thing. You are going to sell a new product or service, but your focus should be on the customer. Customer is the person who is going to buy from you. So according to him, how you can design a product. That is coming under the design thinking. A new concept introduced, of course, design thinking introduced in Germany first, especially for the purpose of doors. They used to create a different type of doors as well as window panels. For that, they design a very good interior designing, and they used to have a design thinking concept for entire interior designing. Now it comes into India, and Indian entrepreneurs are also going to think about the different type of design thinking. Only thing, you have to be a very creative one. And you have to think in such a manner that is it possible to solve the problem from the customer side? From our side, as an entrepreneur, we know we are able to solve number of things. But in case of layman, how he is going to solve the problem? Is it possible to create a product like that? Remember that this is a concept which will focus on the customer, but designed by the entrepreneurs. That's why it is called as design thinking. It's not about the product. It is about the people. It is the age of user experience. But output is the product. Be clear. That means design thinking is used to design a product based upon the customer feedbacks as well as what the customers are thinking. Or if you are a customer, how you are able to solve that one. This is a very nice concept used nowadays. And they used to call it as different stages also. Empathize. Find out a person. Give your product. How easily he is working. If the product is working very easy, it means that you are able to market a new innovative product. There are a number of new innovations are coming, but they are all said to be failure. Reason is they are unable to define their own views. In case of education platform, today also we have discussed about that one. Most of them are now moving towards Zoom, and some of them from Cisco. Why, we asked, why such type of things are happening? Because according to the user, they used to change. We have designed a platform for the purpose of education one. So we are thinking Zoom should have all these characteristics. Based upon that, we can have all these features. Since you are also educated, you are also coming under the college level, but same Zoom platform we can introduce for the kids, for the 8th standard, 7th standard students. For them, they are having some other platform. So, in design thinking, we will see who are all the target audience. Based upon that, we use the emphasis about a product, a dream, then we can bring a reality, then ideate. We'll test that one. We'll create a prototype and test in the market how it is working. If it is working, then that idea can be used successfully. That is the concept of design thinking. When you are introducing a new product, even you have discussed in case of Bangalore water problem, how they designed. We don't know anyhow how to solve the problem of water. Their design thinking is different. They used to introduce the water purifier. And they understand the problem of Bangalore. Then they defined why we can give the directly the water purifier. Otherwise, the people have to buy. They define. Then they ideate. They come out of the solution. Every day you need not pay. We can go for the subscription model. Then they tested in some of the places. I think the testing Malleswaram area. Then they are going to build a new type of prototype and they are going to introduce throughout the Bangalore. Whether it will be success or not, it is based upon their design thinking. We used to call it as a design thinking. Let us see some of the one example for the design thinking. I think some of you heard about this thing. Recently, in case of Bangalore, I think in Pune, they introduced this technique. You know, when we had an opportunity to think about this type of hatchback technique, we interacted with that person who introduced that technique from Indian Institute of Science. A group of students from Indian Institute of Science, IISc, they designed, from their lab they designed food operated hatchback. If you want to open the dicky, you need not use anything. Simply if you lift your leg, it will open. We are having a very good discussion with that person, how you created that one. I think the computer science students know, Dr. Muruganandam from our computer science, he is in charge for this incubation center. We call that person asked, if somebody is using the leg upside downwards, whether their dicky will open. He asked the question. Immediately he told the word, don't worry, this process has been created using the design thinking process. Then only we had to know about that one. Very good. In case of IISc, they use the design thinking process to define that one. How they use that one? They introduced along with the key, that is remote key of our car, that is vehicle will first scan the electronic key with the owner. If anybody does, it won't open. Then from that key, it will approaches a password for unlocking the car. From the owner only keeps that one. When the owner comes nearby the car, like how the sound is coming or lights are burning or blinking, same technique they identified with the sensor. If the owner is coming with the key and if any reaction is coming under this place, under the dicky, and if they have a small kick, immediately it will open. See that one. This is the design thinking because they identified how and why they identified. We asked that person. He told, we used to roam in and around Bangalore. In case of some of the malls, all the car parking is in the underground floor. Then they are taking the car from the underground and bringing in, say, just in front of the malls to keep the things. Just within a minute, they have to unload whatever things they have purchased into the dicky. They are facing number of problems. So we decided to solve that one. They visited number of the malls. And that person mentioned that in Phoenix Market City, they spend around 8 hours per day for at least 1 week. What are all the problems faced by the different people when they are coming out? And finally, they identified, why can't we can create a sensor like that? And they introduced that one. They designed the product from their lab, a sensor to open the dicky. And I don't know what type of protocol they followed. They tested with them, and finally they introduced that one foot operated hatchback. And according to them, they are able to sell now around 5,000 products, this sensor. The only thing you have to surrender your key, and they will introduce the sensor with that one, and some hardware they are installing, that's all. And you can use this technique. Simple thing. They are telling this is not a very big innovation. It is only a discovery. Only thing, we are already having number of sensors, how to open the dicky, everything we are already having. Most of the cars are having all these facilities, but only thing we have to use the key. We now use the sensor for that purpose. Simple thing. This is called an idea from the design thinking. See that one. That is why as an entrepreneur, you have to think like that. As a customer, what they will do when they are coming with lot of products like this, they can't put the key inside and open. Simply they will show their leg upside downward, and they used to kick that one, the dicky will open. See that one. That is why in case of design thinking, we used to call it as the product is manufactured by us, but the product should fit according to the customer view. That is the concept of design thinking. Very successfully introduced that one. Another product, when we discussed with those people, they also mentioned about the another product, what they designed, especially for the kids, that I think you know, it is already available in the market, Oral-B. They sold this technology to the some type of organization, and they are getting the royalty also. Introducing the electric toothbrush. It is very old product. It was also patented by the IAS students in the year 2003. But it comes to market only in 2018 and 19. They used to tell the stories, how you designed that one, electric toothbrush. They created that one because for the kids, they find very difficult using the toothbrush. First, they design only for the kids. Why can't we can use the electric toothbrush, a small device using the power supply. Power supply in the sense not with the help of electricity, only with the help of small batteries, which we are using for our wristwatches. Same small battery they introduced, and it is linked with this toothbrush. So if you put this toothbrush inside the mouth of the kids, automatically it will rotate. See that one simple thing. They used to call it as a design thinking. They mentioned it is not a new thing. The product is having very simple idea. The technology is very simple, but the idea comes from the customer side. And that professor is telling clearly, most of the parents, they are complaining that our kids, they doesn't know how to brush their tooth. They identified, they get some of the samples and they tested successfully. Finally, they introduced. Now they commercialize that one. See that one. That is the advantage of these type of ventures. They commercialized with the help of Oral-B. They introduced the new different brand name, but the technology belongs to them. This is the type of design thinking. Likewise, we one group of other, I think psychology students might have known about this person, Edward de Bono. He used to call it as de Bono technique. He introduced the concept of lateral thinking. Of course, now it is also called as design thinking by our students. He introduced the 6 hat for the purpose of thinking. That is from the blue hat, white, green, yellow, black, and red. He introduced this concept, a psychologist introduced that one, how effectively you can think. It never means that only if you are using this hat you are able to think. But he introduced the method. Method is different. Then only our mind will accept to think about different ideas. A blue hat, if you are wearing the blue hat, you have to think how we can plan. A planner, management guru. That is why in case of most of the MBA schools, the students used to prefer only blue color. I don't know how based upon this de Bono technique they are using, because they assume that they are all very good managers. They knows only planning. White hat, they are like our computer science students. They will gather data, convert into information, data processing. They will get very good ideas. Green, they will think in a different manner, maybe in a design thinking. They used to have some creativity idea without hindering or without sacrificing anything. They are called as green hat. Yellow, optimist. They will think everything will happen in a correct manner. That is a very important thing. Never think in a negative purpose. Even though we thought about the opposite thinking, here it is just a reverse to that one, yellow hat view. Optimist. Let us think what we are dreaming is going to happen correctly. Black hat, they are pessimist. Just opposite to the yellow hat. They used to judge. Okay, this person might have done. Black hat type. Then the red hat. They will give different type of feelings. If you are using the product, what type of feelings you will get. See that one, if you are wearing a Puma shoe or Nike shoe and walking here and there, what about your feelings? We used to call it as red hat person. He is wearing red hat. In case of management techniques, we used to call it as if a person is coming with a new dress as well as by having a Puma shoe or Nike shoe or with a different dress code and entering into the campus, everybody is seeing that one means. We used to call it as red hat person because he used to know the feelings of others by creating something different. And such persons, the emotions will be huge. That is how the de Bono defined the thinking process. So today also, note down all those things I've already given. Assume that you are going to wear such hat and you are going to tell me all these things. Same thing, it has been defined like that. White paper, who are wearing the white hat. Fire, that is the red hat, sunshine. Optimism. Strength judge, pessimism. He will see only the negative things first. Green, rich, creativeness. Okay, this thing will happen. We can identify. Blue, the sky and overview. He will think, okay, is it possible to execute? We'll see one example also, how these people are thinking. Even we can say, the small product, the electric toothbrush. If you are wearing a white hat, how you will think about this brush, electric brush? Anybody, you can say, Tell me. We have discussed the electric toothbrush. Assume that you are wearing the white hat. What you will say about the electric toothbrush?
Hello.
Yes, tell me. Good.
Uh, Sir, since white hat represents information,
Hmm.
so as as for electric toothbrush, they went and they like found out that kids are having problem in brushing their teeth. So they came up with this idea. So they collected the information, and then based on that information, they came up with this innovative idea, sir.
Yes, good. That is information about how we can use the toothbrush. Good. Yes, now anybody can tell me if you are wearing yellow hat, you are using the yellow hat and you have to tell about the electric toothbrush by wearing yellow hat. Come on. Yellow hat means I am brightness and optimism. You have to think everything in an optimist manner. Come on, students.
So,
Yes, Justin, come on.
so I would think about how to make this toothbrush affordable and be able to use for all age groups. Sir.
Yes. So that is your optimist way. Not only kids can use, anybody can use. Good. Another one. Let us coming to the reverse one. Black cat. Anybody can wear black cat and tell me. Not cat, cat.
So,
Yes. Abu, come on.
so it's like the children won't learn how to brush properly. They will be always dependent on this product, like
Yes.
the electric
Very
brush.
good. That is the negativism. They may depend upon that one. They know how to use the toothbrush. Good. Then, red hat. Somebody can wear the red hat and come with the feelings. You are using this electric toothbrush. What about your feelings? Come on. Yes, Ajit is coming. Come on, Ajit.
So the teeth of the children will be healthy and they are also healthy.
You have to tell your feelings. When you are inserting the electric toothbrush, what about your feelings? You are correct. Absolutely correct. Make it as a good. Yes. That is the feelings. That is something new. Okay, then blue hat. Somebody can come with the blue hat. Yes, why? Come on. Blue hat. That is, you are going to tell how you are going to use that product. Blue hat. Because they will think about whether students, kids are able to use the product or not. They will tell about that one. Come on. Any students come with blue hat? Then I have to call the students. Come on. Why everybody is hiding? Okay, we'll go the last one. Some person called Rahul. Rahul, what happened? Rahul Nemani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on. Rahul, assume that you are wearing the
Sir,
blue
for
hat.
the
Yes.
sir for the sir for the red hat, I can tell, sir.
Okay, tell me for red hat.
So, sir, like Nandi Corporation, what they're implying is like they're socially connected to the means that you can say that below poverty line people, so that they can do something for them. And means like you can say like they have moved on with their things of promoting some business so that they can be benefited with this lower
Okay,
caste
Rahul,
peoples.
wait. Now we are not discussing Nandi. That is the next part. We are discussing about the electric toothbrush. You can tell your views. I will give time because We are also going to discuss that one today. Hmm. Any other students come?
Okay, sir.
Blue hat. Wait, Rahul, you will do very good job. Hmm. Blue hat. Come on. Anybody can come. Then I will call another one. Joshua already talked. Raksha. Some name is there. Raksha. What happened? Raksha. No. Jiki Visam.
Yes.
Yes, you can assume that you are wearing blue hat and tell me about the electric toothbrush.
Like blue hat is like, how can you be innovative with that, sir?
Blue hat means you have to think in such a manner that how we can market the electric toothbrush, whether people will accept the electric toothbrush. That is the, as an entrepreneur, you are going to tell that you are having the blue hat idea and you are going to tell about that one.
Sir,
Yes.
like advertising and first proposing like giving a free model as how it works, and with that we can give a few perks with it, sir, like few offers.
Very good, good. Very good, Jiki. You can see how Jiki is thinking. That is the thinking. He clearly mentioned your toothbrush means they will give a different ad. Now, this is a different type of toothbrush, electric toothbrush. So, how we can give the promotion and advertisement. Very good, GK. And finally, who is going to tell about the green hat? Wearing the
Sir?
yes, ma. Good. Shreya.
Yes. Wearing a green hat means like bringing out new possibilities and ideas. So I can think that how come I can change the design of the electric, brush so that the kids are more attracted to it. Also, I can use innovative ideas to design the brush in a way which facilitates holding it for the kids, also for elderly people and everything. So like ideas search that.
Good, very good idea, sir. See that one. That is why in case of some of the product, kids design, they used to introduce the cartoon designs, everything. Along with that electric toothbrush, they introduce the cartoon symbol so that the kids will be attracted towards the cartoon. They introduced that one, they made it successful. So this is a very good method of thinking. When you are conducting the brainstorming, we'll have this type of thinking. This is the very good technique introduced by him. And next hour, we are going to have this case study about this, all this hat. Let us go on to the theoretical part. So once this idea has been created, now the venture has to create an idea management tool, because they may receive number of ideas. Which one we are going to select? That is very, very important thing. Almost all the entrepreneurs face that one, especially in case of ID Mustafa. You might have heard about the ID Mustafa in Bangalore. He only created the idli, dosa, paste and introduced throughout the Bangalore. And it is, of course, very famous, and it is also somewhat costlier than other products. But how he created that idea? He was having number of idea. He introduced even for vada, traditional vada, dosa with different types of dosa. He created that one, but he created ID that is very important to make it as a crispy. If you are using ID butter, the dosa will be in a crispy style, so that everybody will like. Even in your home, you can have a very big dosa. Otherwise, we have to come to a restaurant and have a paper dosa, etc., etc. But this person created that one. When we asked, I think he visited our campus. he identified different ideas. First, they started only for vada, not for idli and dosa. And vada, they mentioned that each and everybody is having a different taste of vada, different types of vada. So he identified different idea for sambar vada, even rasam vada, that dal vada, different varieties of vada he identified. He created a butter out of that one. But what happened? When they screened all these ideas, they mentioned that vada is not considered as the main dish. It is considered as the side dish. So if you market that one, it won't be a successful one. That was their conclusion. They created more ideas. And of course, they mentioned that later on, why can't we can use the traditional South Indian for idli and dosa? Then they introduced the concept. That is called the idea management tool. Which idea we can implement successfully. And they conclude that first we'll introduce for idli dosa, then we can introduce for other thing. Yes? Somebody raise the hand. Okay. How these people created that one? This is called the idea management tool. If you are very successful in one idea generation, then only you are able to list your ideas, make it as a successful one. Because when you are preparing the business plan, you have to mention clearly how you are going to define the problem or what will be your opportunity. That is the end stage of idea generation. After finalizing the idea, you have to once again define. In case of the simple toothbrush, electric toothbrush, what is the problem they are facing? Kids find it difficult. That is the problem. Even parents, they find it very difficult to brush the tooth of their kids. That is the problem. What are all the different idea they got? Very important thing. So when you want to present to the venture capitalist, you have to mention all these things. Definition of the problem. In this product created by the Indian Institute of Science, an electric toothbrush, the how to solve the problem of brushing the kids. Then once the idea technique is good, we have to involve the right people whom you have to ask the question. You identified a very good product, the electric toothbrush. Whether it will work or not, to whom you will ask? Anybody? You have to involve the right people whom you have to ask the question. You are having a very good electric toothbrush you have created. Now you want to test. To whom you will ask a suggestion? Come on. Yes, come
Parents,
on.
yeah, parents.
Good, parents only, not kids. This is the problem what we are facing in Indian market. We can't ask the kids because we are not going to market to the kids. Kids won't buy. Only the parents will buy. That is the ultimate definition of customer. That is why on the first day, one day I told about the professionalism in entrepreneurship. You have to involve the correct people. Here our customer is only the parents, those who are having kids. So only if you are asking the right question to the parents, we are able to solve that issue. So in case of writing the business plan, you have to mention this product has been tested with the parents, those who are having the kids, and how it is working. Then only different phase of idea generation will come. Which idea will work together? Maybe somebody will tell we have to create electricity, we have to use different bulbs, different battery, everything. But in case of this product, they have used a small battery which is used for wristwatches, which is frequently available everywhere. That is different. Now the product is over. You are clearly identified which idea is going to work out. So after that, we are clearly identified this electric toothbrush with the small battery is going to work out. Then we have to inspiration phase. Inspiration phase means we have to make acceptance from the other initial idea. That is why in case of IISc, Indian Institute of Science, they use their own lab, inspiration phase. How we can create a prototype of that one. They use that one. Indian Institute of Science lab has been utilized for that one to make a toothbrush very small. It should rotate, everything should be there. Now the designing phase is coming. That is engineering division. That is the inspiration. Then the incubation. Incubation phase means first a product has been identified, they used to test. That is why we used to call it as incubation center. In case of our college, Dr. Muruganandam from Computer Science Department, he is heading that incubation phase. Even if you are having very good idea, you can come out. You can discuss with him. We are also in our KJC having the incubation phase. The idea will be enlarged. We will call some people so that we can have a discussion. The product will come out. Incubation. Then the elimination phase. Elimination phase means the product is successful. Now we have to market that one. First, when you are marketing, we will know whether the product will be successful. Our customers will evaluate, okay, if we can check in Narayanabra, everybody is ready to buy by seeing something different, we can assume that same people from other will buy. That is the illumination phase, a market testing. Finally, if our market testing is successful, then we have to implement that idea. Okay, these are all the phases in idea generation. Dear students, so far we have discussed some of the technical things today. Of course, different methods of idea generation. Now, most of the persons are now using design thinking only with the help of lateral thinking. So these are the idea creation phases. If you are having a new one idea, you have to think in different manner. Opposite thinking, analog thinking, all these things you can use. But finally, only one will be succeed. In such case only, we can introduce that one to the market. Okay. So we can stop with that one. So for the question for this round is relating to the, you have to give the example of the opposite thinking. Which product you have discussed for the opposite thinking? When you are entering in the Google form, type the answer. Before 4:30 you can type. I have given the example for opposite thinking. Which product is a very good example of opposite thinking? If you are having new thing, you can also mention in the answer. Yes?
Sir, can you repeat the question again, sir? There was some network disturbance so in my network.
Give an yes, give an example for opposite thinking product. Give an example for opposite thinking. A product which has been developed with the help of opposite thinking idea. You have to give any one example. Okay? So we will have 15 minutes break. So by the meantime, think about which hat you are going to wear. Usually when we are conducting in the physical classroom, we will insist the students to come with different hat. In our department, we are having different colors of hat. So now we are in online. So try to identify your hat or at least your dress in such a manner. We are going to have the case study.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Nitish.
we have to give the example for as answer, right? Which example we discussed?
Yes, you have to give the example. That's all.
Okay, sir.
So in the next hour by 3:30, we will have the case discussion. Be ready. Our virtual case discussion, we are going to think. Okay, good. Thank you. We'll meet.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll meet by 3:30. Okay, bye.